Hello, first-year students. Welcome to Emory, and welcome to the Department of Computer Science. I hope your time here is both fulfilling and rewarding as you pursue your dreams. I am Dr. Steve LaFleur, the Director of Undergraduate Studies for the Department of Computer Science, and I'm going to talk to you for a few minutes about how to get involved with computer science, where to start, and what resources are available to you. Graduates from our program have gone on to be hired by a variety of different companies. Some of them are the ones you'd expect, the big tech companies like Google and Apple, and others are ones that you might not expect at first, such as Southwest Airlines or SunTrust Bank. But if you stop and think a moment, you realize that these companies depend on computers to help them deal with sensitive information, as well as maintain their operations on a large scale. Many of these companies also seek out interns over the summers, and that provides a good opportunity to get a hands-on experience before you graduate. In addition to entering the industry, many of our students also go on to pursue a graduate degree at a variety of different institutions. To get more information about what opportunities are available to you, as well as help you to prep things like your resume and interview skills, Emory has a great resource, which is the Career Center. During normal operations, you could visit the Career Center in the building that's right next to the Math and Sciences Center. Currently, you can find a lot of good information on the Career Center website at career.emory.edu. And you can also schedule Zoom meetings with the advisors there that can help you with information and preparations. So it's an excellent resource. All right, now let's discuss a little bit about the major requirements and how they're broken down and how they flow from one course into another as you move on toward completing your degree program. And we have two computer science majors, Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science, as well as a joint program with math. And all three have the same structure. There's a set of core courses, which is a great place to begin. Then you transition into the foundational courses, which gives you a bit of an introduction into each of the four specializations. And then you'll complete a set of elective courses where you will pick the specialization that interests you the most and that you want to pursue. So a great place to start is the core courses. These courses introduce you to the fundamental concepts and ideas that you will build on as your studies progress to the more advanced courses in the major. Most students will spend their first 3 to 4 semesters completing these requirements. As you're planning your course of study, one thing of particular importance to understand are the prerequisites for each course. If one course is listed as a prerequisite to another, then you can be sure that the later course will be building on or using the concepts in the first course. So it's important that you master the ideas in each course and retain that mastery before moving on to the more advanced courses. There is no way to bypass any of the prerequisites for any of the CS courses. You must either complete the course or have AP credit or transfer credit that is equivalent. As you can see from the prerequisite chart, the place to start is with CS 170 and Math 111. If you've taken the Computer Science A AP exam and received a score of 4 or 5, that will count toward the CS 170 course. Similarly, if you've taken the Calculus AB AP exam and received a score of 4 or 5, that will count toward Math 111. And if you've taken the AP exam for Calculus BC and received a score of 4 or 5, that would count toward both Math 111 and Math 112. Once those two courses have been completed, that opens up CS 171, CS 224, and Math 112. Finally, once CS 171 and Math 112 have been completed, that opens up the rest of the courses in the core requirements. The next set of courses required by our majors are the set of foundational courses. These courses are introductions into 4 areas of computer science: theory, systems, software engineering, and the data sciences. These courses will provide you with a baseline understanding of the various aspects of computer science, as well as give you the opportunity to explore and discover your interests. Finally, once you're past the foundational courses and have gotten a bit of an introduction to each of the specializations, you'll probably choose one that you like the most, that you are the most passionate about and want to pursue. And then you'll take a set of elective courses which are focused on whatever specialization interests you. And for the Bachelor of Arts, the number of electives are required are 2 courses that can come from the 300 or 400 level CS courses. And for the Bachelor of Science, there's a bit more to complete. There's 3 400 level courses and 3 300 level courses. One of the 300 level courses can be swapped for a math course that is very related to computer science, so numerical analysis, linear optimization, nonlinear optimization, partial differential equations, or probability and statistics can all be taken to fulfill one of the 300 level CS courses requirement. Here's a overview of some of the other courses that we offer, which also can be used to fulfill the elective requirements. For the data science, we have artificial intelligence, computational linguistics, machine learning, database systems, and data mining. One of these you will have used to fulfill the foundational data science category, but you can use others to fulfill the electives. In systems, you have system programming, which isn't an elective, that is a required foundational course. And then you have CS 355 Advanced Computer Architecture. You have operating systems, computer security, and intro to computer networking. More advanced theory courses include the foundational requirement of analysis of algorithms, as well as theory of computing and programming languages. And in software engineering, you have the foundational requirement of the computer science practicum, as well as compiler construction. Now, to fulfill all of the requirements, you'll probably have to take some courses in across multiple categories, as it will be impossible to fulfill all of the electives of the Bachelor of Science, for instance, in any one of these categories. So you're free to explore more than one specialization. If you need any advice about putting your schedule together or registering for classes, or anything in general about our program, you can drop me an email at my email address here, slafleu@emory.edu. I'm happy to set up meetings with you, currently over Zoom, or once regular operations resume, we can meet in person in my office. Good luck as you start your journey of pursuing a computer science degree, and I will see you around.